First thing, we want to remove all the number 2 size Phillips head screws from the case. There's a total of 12 that you're going to remove from your case. Once all the screws are removed, just simply remove the top portion of the case, and that will reveal the inside workings of your Okimat 2 motor. And we'll just quickly identify real quick. This is a push block. Here's your bearing assembly. Inside there, it's kind of hard to see, but there's actual worm gear. That's the worm gear that runs through the push block. Back down in the case, you've got your drive motors. Here is the actual main circuit board. This is one of the things that you commonly see that goes wrong there. Of course, there's your transformer, which works, it's your power cable. And over here, again, you have the other push block. So it's a relatively simple and effective design. To remove the circuit board, simply pull up, and the actual, see this right here, but the board just slides out. There's some channels, if you can see right there. That's actually what the little slots that the boards fit into, and they're on both sides. If you notice your switches here, your like limit switches, pay careful attention to make sure that when you put your switches back, if they are in fact coming off, make sure they go back in the same spot. There's multiple pins there for them to fit on depending on what the application may be, but in this particular application, let's make sure they get back in the exact same spot. Your wiring will route along the top case. It fits down in this this channel right here, so make sure that when you're putting your new board in, or you're replacing the wiring harness through there, make sure that you got enough clearance, because what will happen is when you go to secure the case back down with the screws, there's a potential you can crimp some of these wires. So just be aware of that. And otherwise, I mean, everything is pretty straightforward. Here's your push block systems, and in the event that you're having to replace those, they do have dielectric grease on there. Stuff gets on your hand. It's not, so wear rubber gloves, or maybe something. But here, if we pull out the push blocks, they're just going to lift right out of there. As you can see, the case is stamped to where it houses the bearing here, and everything just fits perfectly. And to put the push block back in, just simply take it and then make sure it's back into the correct channel. The bearing goes in there. There we go. And you're done. I hope this was a helpful video. If you have questions, please contact us with information on this video. Thank you.